Today I'm making steak ramen. This is a ramen that I'll be using. And this piece of steak right here. I'll be cutting it into little pieces. It's already cooked. Steak ramen is good. I eat steak ramen sometimes. It's good stuff. It's very easy to make. All you need is ramen. Piece of steak. Some boiling water. That's it. I didn't cook it all the way through because, you know, I'll be putting it in hot water. That would do all the cooking. Or most of the cooking. Right now I'm boiling the water. Okay. That's it. Some vegetables. First I'm going to put it in hot water. Got the boiling water. Just going to put that in there. Like the steak ramen. Okay, now it's all in. I'm also going to put some vegetables in here as well. I'll be cutting that next. I'll be cutting some asparagus spears. I don't think I'm going to put all of that in there. I'll put some of it. Not all of it. Just cut it into small little pieces. So I'll be cutting them up and I'll put them in there now. Just going to stir it up a little bit. Now I'm just going to put the ramen in there. I'm not going to put the soup base in there. Instead I'll just put some other stuff in there like garlic salt and soy sauce or something. Garlic salt. I'll put some soy sauce in there as well. Just cook this for about 7 minutes and should be done. There it is. That's steak ramen. I think this is filet mignon. This meat right here is filet mignon. It's got the broth from the meat, asparagus spears, this ramen, but I didn't put the soup base in here. I did add the packet which had vegetables in it. That's about it. Let me taste it. Tastes pretty good. It tastes very, tastes like real steak. It's steak. That's why I call it steak ramen. Okay, if you find it interesting, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.